Hey guys, I'm Sean Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. How you doing? This is the first hired request of the summer. I'm taking a new list for the summer. If you have something you'd like me to do, whether you have sheet music or you just want me to figure it out by ear, send me an email to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. EASY piano lessons, plural, at Yahoo. All right, so this is Peter Gabriel, Family Snapshot, live in Athens, 1987. These live versions are always so cool, right? You get a lot of stuff that you don't get in the album version. Anyway, this is da na 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 2 and 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. Da na na. Snapshot into the light. All right, so there we go. Peter Gabriel. I don't think I've done much Peter Gabriel at all during the past 16 years I've been on YouTube and had the website. So this is kind of cool. I'm doing 2 Peter Gabriel songs. This is the first. So it's a live version. Listen to it. And listen to it all the way through because that's what I'm going to teach you on the website. You can download my sheets for these as well as many other lessons on there. It's kind of cool. Only $20, for a partner level membership. So we're going to learn this one here. And I use letters on the whiteboard. All right, so it's just a different way to learn. It's not a lesser way. In fact, there's lots of stuff we can do doing this method than we can't do with sheet music. But every note I hear I put down, so you're getting to play it just like he does. And let's get started. He's using a keyboard sound. I'm using a piano sound. Just because I know a lot of you out there just are on your acoustic piano. But if you have a keyboard, pick you out a nice keyboard sound and just sound just like Peter. So we have F on the left hand, and then right hand is C, E flat, B flat, 1, 2, 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then count 3 is that, which is C, E flat, A natural, G on the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, E flat, G, left hand on an E flat. And the next measure is B flat, E flat, F, left hand, B flat. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on something like this where there's lots of held notes, you either need to count it or you need to sing. I recommend singing. Even if you don't think you can sing, you can. Come on. You can sing with it, and that'll help you with the counts. If you don't do one of those, you're going to rush because these are long notes that you're holding, and you need to either count it or sing. So you do it the right amount of time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then we start the next phrase, which starts off like the first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time we have this chord, which we did there. 4, and then 1, 2, which is E flat chord, B flat, E flat, G, left hand on E flat. 2, 3, 4. All right, now we have a cool open fifth sound, E flat, A flat. On the right, D flat octave on the left. 1, 2, 3. Count 3 is A flat, E flat, G natural, left hand on a C. And then bop, bop, bop. That's my way of writing a triplet. I don't know why I do it that way, but triplet. 1, 2, 3, triplet. Triplet just means 3 notes for that count. Triplets divided into 3s instead of 2s or 4s. So next measure we have our nice open fifth sound again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this measure is the same as that one. So awesome. You can play both measures if you can play one. And then the next measure we have that chord again. A flat, E flat, G, left hand D flat. 1, 2, and count 3 is here. A flat, E flat on the right, C on the left hand, 3. And then an A flat, da, da, da. 3, E, and a 4, and bum, ba. So if I start here, 1, 2, 3, and then here's the title of the song, It's Family Snapshot, da, da, okay? So F, E flat, triplet on C, D flat, E flat. And then D flat, F, left hand, B flat, C, D flat. So it's da, 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 da. And then you play the A flat. So bum, bum, ba, 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 bum, a 4, and C minor 2. So you do that measure again. 3, So there is our free part 1. And you can see a little more on the board if you want to try more. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The whole thing is very long. And we do every note. And you can download my sheets on webpianoteacher.com. I'll see you on the website. And I hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you later.